Okay, guys, today we are gonna watch Mega Man sound effects mixed with I don't know, Terminator 2. And if you want to check out this video, go to retrosoundeffects.com and maybe go check out his channel and maybe even subscribe to him and see some of his videos, and also leave in the comments down below if you've seen videos that I haven't seen, or just tell me to see a video you guys want me to see. And let's get started in this video. Alright. Before I start this video, I want to be quiet for the whole video, and then in the end, I'm gonna talk to you guys. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, guys, that was the video, and I hope you guys liked it. And leave a comment, what do you think about this video? Should I make other videos like these and stuff, or should I do more reaction videos? You decide in the comments down below. And that's it for the video. And like and subscribe. And see you guys in the next video I make. And now I'm gonna tell you guys what day I make videos. I make videos every Tuesdays and Fridays, and I think maybe Saturday or Sunday. And I just want you to guys know. No, I think it's gonna be Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. Those are the days I'm making videos, because I also have school, so I can't make videos really early. So, like, because I also go to another school, so I also leave at 5:30 or less or more. And sorry for you guys who wait almost all your day waiting for me to make a video because I have school and stuff. So I hope you guys like this, and leave a comment down below. Oh yeah, what video should I watch? And leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next videos. Bye.